Are you looking for the best pool suction cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pool suction cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vingli Automatic Wall Climbing Pool Vacuum Cleaner. If you want to keep your pool clean without hassle, the Vingli Automatic Wall Climbing Pool Vacuum Cleaner is designed to make pool maintenance easier. Its quiet operation ensures your poolside remains peaceful while it works efficiently to remove dirt, leaves, and debris. This cleaner's advanced tire system allows it to climb walls smoothly and navigate obstacles, making it suitable for both in-ground and above-ground pools. The tangle-free, scratch-resistant hose adapts to various pool sizes, preventing damage and frustrating tangles during use. Setting up the vacuum is simple and tool-free, taking only a few minutes. With a minimum 1.5 HP pump requirement, it delivers consistent suction for effective cleaning. Maintenance is low, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your pool and less time worrying about upkeep. While it is heavier at 18.7 pounds, this weight contributes to stable movement on pool surfaces. Keep in mind that it operates on the suction side, which may not clean as deeply as pressure side models but still offers reliable performance. Number 2. Hayward Pulvergnuggen Automatic Suction Pool Cleaner. The Hayward Pulvergnuggen Automatic Suction Pool Cleaner offers an effective solution for keeping your pool clean without extra hassle. Designed for in-ground pools up to 20 by 40 feet, it works with your existing pool pump. This cleaner tackles debris and dirt, helping maintain clear water and reducing manual cleaning time. Its design features patented turbine vanes that stop clogs and ensure consistent suction power across different flow rates. The cleaner smoothly climbs steps and navigates obstacles thanks to its patented tire treads. This makes cleaning thorough even on uneven surfaces. Maintenance is straightforward since the unit connects directly to your pool's suction port or skimmer without needing special tools. The adjustable roller skirts enhance suction on rough or irregular surfaces, improving overall cleaning efficiency. The cleaner's 33-foot hose combined with self-propelled steering covers most pool areas with minimal setup. While it suits pools up to 20 by 40 feet, larger pools may require a different model. It depends on your existing pump and filter system, as it does not include a booster pump. The hose length might restrict reach in very large or oddly shaped pools. Number 3. Stream Power US Automatic Wall Climbing Pool Cleaner. The Stream Power US Automatic Wall Climbing Pool Cleaner offers a practical solution for maintaining a clean pool without the hassle of manual scrubbing. It effectively climbs walls and cleans the pool floor, tackling dirt and debris with ease. This cleaner integrates directly with your existing filtration system, eliminating the need for extra power sources or tools. Its lightweight design makes installation straightforward, while the 30-foot hose allows it to service pools up to 30 feet in length. The cleaner moves at a steady pace between 8 and 12 feet per minute, ensuring consistent coverage. The durable PVC construction holds up well against wear and can handle debris weighing up to 5 pounds. Maintenance is minimal, thanks to its simple design and eco-friendly operation. The cleaner operates quietly and efficiently without consuming additional electricity, helping reduce your environmental footprint. It automatically navigates your pool's surfaces, so you can spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your pool. However, to function optimally, it requires a pump with at least 1 horsepower. Additionally, its size limits it to pools no larger than 30 feet. While customer feedback indicates moderate satisfaction, it remains a solid choice for those seeking an automatic, wall-climbing pool cleaner. Number 4. Pentair Rebel Cleaner Head, Head Only, 360486. If you're looking to enhance your pool cleaning routine, the Pentair Rebel Cleaner Head is designed to improve efficiency and durability. This replacement head speeds up your cleaning process by 26%, thanks to its redesigned bearings that boost movement without extra effort. The self-propelled mechanism ensures consistent coverage, helping your pool stay clean with less manual work. Its innovative SureFlow turbine design minimizes clogging by allowing debris to pass freely through the system. This feature keeps the cleaner running smoothly, reducing interruptions and maintenance needs. The head works seamlessly with variable speed and 2-speed pumps, adapting to your pool's specific setup. Installation is straightforward since the cleaner head comes ready to use. No assembly is needed. It fits a variety of pool surfaces, including gunite, vinyl, fiberglass, and tile, making it a versatile choice for many pool types. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, saving you time on replacements. Maintenance is simplified by the reliable hydraulic design, which efficiently handles debris and pump variations. While this is a replacement part that requires owning the rest of the cleaner system, it's a practical upgrade to maintain optimal pool cleaning performance. Number 5. Vingli Automatic Suction Side Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Vingli Automatic Suction Side Pool Vacuum Cleaner makes pool maintenance simpler and more efficient. It tackles dirt and debris with ease, helping keep your pool clean without extra effort. Its design supports both in-ground and above-ground pools, adapting to different pool types for versatile use. This vacuum features a 39.6-foot tangle-free hose that allows for extensive reach and smooth movement. Its adjustable suction power ensures thorough cleaning by targeting specific debris levels. The advanced tire system is engineered to climb walls and navigate around obstacles like drains, which many vacuums struggle to handle. Setup is quick and easy, taking just 2 minutes without requiring any tools. The vacuum operates quietly, so it won't disturb your relaxation time. Made from durable, scratch-resistant plastic, this cleaner is built to last and resist damage from regular use. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to a clog-resistant design that reduces the need for frequent cleanings. However, it requires a minimum pump power of 1.5 HP/1100 W, which may not suit every pool setup. Its weight of 18.7 pounds could also be a consideration for handling.